Now we are starting the postulates of Werner theory. Werner theory was given by Alfred Werner, is a Swiss chemist, in 1892. He had given the following postulates after experimenting various experiments by treating cobalt chloride with ammonia. When he treated cobalt chloride with ammonia, he got various compounds. First, he treated cobalt chloride with 6 ammonia. He got yellow color complex compound, in which 6 ammonia are coordinated with cobalt and 3 outside the square bracket, which we name it as a counter ions. So number of ions, if we dissolve this compound in solution, we are getting 4 ions, 1 of this complex ion, 3 of this chloride ions. When he changed 6 ammonia to 5 ammonia, complex formed is of purple color, in which gives 2 AgCl ion. This shows 2 chloride ions outside the square bracket and 1 Cl inside. When he treated cobalt chloride with 4 ammonia, he got violet color and green color complex. These two are the isomers, which gives 1 AgCl, 1 mole of AgCl when treated with AgNO3. And in these compounds, complex ion along with 1 Cl outside the square brackets. So on ionization, first compound gives 4 ions in solution, second, third, this compound will give 3 ions in solution, this compound will give 2 ions, this compound will give 2 ions, and last compound he took 3 ammonia with cobalt chloride. He got blue green complex with no AgCl ions in solution. No AgCl will form. It is a non-electrolyte. This compound is non-electrolyte, means outside the square bracket there will be no ion, no Cl ion. So 3 chlorine, 3 ammonia will be inside the square bracket. From these particular compounds, it is observed all these complexes, all these complex ions, 6 ligands are inside the square brackets. On the basis of these experiments, he concluded various postulates. He said that every metal in the coordination compound has 2 valencies, primary and secondary. Primary valency of metal exhibit in the formation of simple salts, same valency. Nowadays primary valency is called as oxidation scale. Then about secondary valency, each metal ion or cation exhibit neutral molecules or negative ligands inside the square brackets, and the ligands which are enclosed inside the square brackets were earlier named as a secondary valency of metal. Nowadays it is known as coordination number. So every metal satisfies both primary as well as secondary valency. Primary valency is satisfied by negative ligands, whereas secondary valency is satisfied by negative, neutral or ligand which are enclosed in square brackets. Ligands satisfied secondary valency are always directed towards the fixed position in space, or it provides definite geometry to the complex, but primary valencies are non-directional. When the ligands are directed in fixed position in space, they form tetrahedral or square planar when the 4 ligands are attached. When 6 ligands are attached, they form octahedral geometry. When 5 ligands are attached, they form trigonal bipyramidal, which determines the stereochemistry of the complex. So nowadays, coordination number is the name for secondary valency. Oxidation state or oxidation number is the name for primary valency, and the ligand, when they are directed in space, it is known as coordination polyhedron. Now, determination of structure of complex ion on the basis of Werner theory. These are the structures shown by Werner theory. The ligand which are enclosed in square brackets, they are directed in space with hard lines, and they occupy the octahedral positions. All the octahedral positions पे ammonia ligands are present, and 3 ligands of chloride which are outside the square brackets, they only satisfy the primary valency, they only satisfy the oxidation number, they will be written with dotted lines. Primary valencies are precipitated, means which are outside the square bracket, the ligands are ionizable and they are linked by dotted lines to the metal ion, showing In the second compound, one chlorine is inside the square bracket and two chlorine outside the square bracket. So the chlorine which is inside the square bracket is satisfying both primary and secondary valency. Satisfied both primary as well as secondary valency. So it is represented with dotted as well as hard line, and the position of chloride occupy one of the octahedral position. 5 पोजीशंस पे अमोनिया है, एक पोजीशन पे क्लोराइड है, और क्लोराइड जिस पोजीशन पे है साथ में उसका डॉटेड लाइन भी है क्योंकि ये इसकी प्राइमरी वैलेंसी को भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. लुक एट दिस कम्प्लेक्स. इन दिस कम्प्लेक्स 2 क्लोरीन अंदर हैं, 4 अमोनिया अंदर हैं और 1 क्लोरीन बाहर है. इसका तो 2 पोजीशन ऑक्टाहेड्रल पोजीशन जो है उस पर क्लोरीन है और इस क्लोरीन पे डॉटेड और हार्ड लाइन लगी हुई है. दैट मीन्स 2 chlorine are satisfying secondary valency as well as primary both, and one only with dotted lines mean one is outside the square bracket. In the last complex, 3 chlorine, 3 ammonia, all that inside the square brackets is a neutral coordination compound. In this compound, all the chlorines occupy the octahedral positions and represented with both the dotted as well as hard lines. So the hard lines are representing the coordination polyhedron. This is a special kind of arrangement. This is a special kind of arrangement को कहते हैं coordination polyhedron. In this all arrangement there is a octahedral arrangement. So this is all about valence Werner theory.